Safety is very important. Just like when our parents tell us to wear a seat belt in the car or in the aeroplane, it's for us to be safe. Sometimes they tell us to wear gloves before doing something that includes electricity. Sometimes they ask us to wear glasses to protect our eyes from the sun or the dust. It's for us to be safe. Sometimes we have to wear the whole safety gear, like a scientist, or when we're using a formula. Sometimes it's just winters and they ask us to wear a cap and a scarf to keep us warm. That's for us to be safe, since it's better to be safe than to be treated